Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So I've talked about in my last few videos about this big trip that's up and coming, and now that I'm without a motorcycle, I'm going to be taking off in a couple days for my next big adventure. Unfortunately, this is going to be without a motorcycle. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is going to the Seychelles, which is a group of islands that are off the east coast of Africa, just north of the equator. And I'm going to be going to North Island on the Seychelles, and over there I'm going to be doing a conservation program for a month. So basically just working on the island and help protecting the island. There's turtles on there, there's lots of turtle nesting. They're getting rid of a lot of invasive species of plants and trying to bring back the native plants there. So I'm going to be working on there, so I'll do some filming from there and show you some exotic locations on the Seychelles. And then after the Seychelles, I'm going to be flying off and taking off to Turkey. And the plan is to spend about a month and a half traveling around Turkey till the end of the year. And so yeah, we'll be doing lots of filming over there and showing you the sights around Turkey. And so that's going to be the next big part of tripping with Mitch until I get back here, get some snowboarding in, and for the winter. The spring will come, I'll pick up my dirt bike that I just bought, and I've got deposits in for 2 different dealerships right now for a new Tenere. So hopefully one comes in by the spring, but with all the shipping problems and the supply issues, who knows when it's actually going to show up. So I could get a lot of dirt biking in this spring before I pick up the Tenere, and then I'll be able to keep that bike for the bigger trips. But stay tuned, guys. I appreciate all your support, and I'll get some videos out in the next, hopefully sometime next week, on my journey getting to the Seychelles and the first few days there and what I'll be doing. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.